Good old cherry tree. Some good firewood, I'll tell you that. Definitely like it. That's not bad. Got plenty of pep, I know that. I like it better than I like the steel clone, the 380, the 770cc saw. I keep getting you guys in a bad spot here. You can't see me. I end up blocking it. Let me give you a corner around here a little better. See what happens. Yeah, it's old red gum. It'll be all right for cutting. I definitely like the feel and the power of that. You can definitely smell the exhaust. This one does have, the, well, I'm not going to say larger port. It's about a 1/2 inch port. It's got 2 ports here. I want to get the Holtz Forma 32 inch bar and chain. It's like 105 drive lengths. Because you see me cutting, I mean, I can still reach, but I'm bending a little bit. A 32 would be super nice. I do have a 32 coming that will fit on the 380 or Farmac or the 660 Farmac. So Forester.com, they sell chain, blade, safety equipment, all kinds of stuff. I'll put a link in there. I've got a couple Forester bars that are smaller I haven't used yet. They had a deal. They had a lot of sales. So whenever they have a sale, if I think it'll fit, I kind of get it ahead of time, so I have the chain and bar. Probably not the one with the full wrap. I won't put the 32 on. I'll probably put it on the Farmac or take and switch the wraps over. I just don't know. I don't know if there's a whole lot of difference, and that's part of the testing now, and you'll find out. So if you're interested in getting up into the 70cc class, 72 cc's, which is a great size saw. It's definitely got plenty of power. You can kind of look at the differences. I already know with this full wrap, there's the issue with the adjusting the chain tensioner. But you know, I've seen some people that they took and made a dent in the wrap over here. They cut this back, and they kind of dented it in right there so that their scrunch will fit on it. I'm not going to go through all that. I'd rather just pay the $24 that you can pay on Amazon and get another wrap, a standard wrap, and then have this in case I ever want it. It makes no sense to damage this one. Now, let me cut some more. Definitely cutting good. Gas that fast. I hope it's not out of gas that fast, because I didn't cut much and I just filled it up. That'd be discerning. It's out of gas. Holy cow. Boy, that's ate some gas. I mean, I did rev it up a little bit and play with it, did that short, but holy cow. That thing eats some gas. I should have brought some more gas with me.